Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Joyroute. By default, the recycle bin in an Active Directory will be disabled. It is your responsibility as a system administrator to enable recycle bin in your Active Directory. If you delete any object in your Active Directory, it is deleted, it is lost forever unless you enable the recycle bin in your Active Directory. So let us practically check it out, how you can enable the recycle bin in your Active Directory, in your domain controller. So to do that, you will have to click on Tools, Active Directory Admin Center. So you will land over here, and if you click on your domain, just click on your domain listed over here in the left hand side. Here you have an option to enable recycle bin. So click on that. It will enable the recycle bin. So what you have to do, you'll have to just refresh this page. So deleted object, one folder will be added here saying deleted object. So let us just refresh it. So to refresh, click on refresh. So you can see deleted object, a container called deleted object. So let us practically check it out. After enabling the recycle bin, if you delete an object, what exactly happening? I'm going to delete a username Jack T from IT department. So I'm going to delete this user. I'm clicking on delete. Yes. So that user is deleted. In an previous scenario, if it is deleted, it's deleted forever. But as we have enabled the recycle bin, it should be in the recycle bin, and we can restore it. It's 180 days by default. So if you delete an object for 180 days, it will be available in the deleted object. So if you go there, you can see the object which you have created, which is Jack T, and you can just restore it. So what happens, we go back again to the OUIT department and just refresh it. That should show here. So this is the way how recycle bin in the Active Directory works. So we'll meet in another video. Bye.